Okay, let's start right now. Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Sokjamnap.
Sokjamnap. Okay, Jamnap. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
15 years old. Nowadays, where do you live?
I live in kidslearn-kh village, Sai-Khom-Venue, Kampong Trolai district, Kampong Chenang province.
Okay, and where do you study Khmer?
I study Khmer at Sai Primary School.
So primary school. Okay, what grade do you study?
I study in level grade 8.
In grade 8. Okay. Uh, do you study English?
I study English
Do you study English?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and where do you study English?
I study English at private international school.
Okay, what level do you study?
I study in level K4.
Level K4. What book do you study?
My book is phonics 4.
Phonics
4.
4. Okay. Is your teacher a Cambodian teacher or foreign teacher?
Cambodian teacher.
Okay. What is your teacher name?
My teacher name is Petra.
Okay. How old is your teacher?
My teacher is 24.
24. Okay. Where does your teacher live?
My teacher live is Kampong Prasad village, Sai-Khom-Venue, Kampong Trolai district, Kampong Chenang province.
What is his favorite sport?
His favorite sport is footballer.
Football. What is his favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members.
Who are they?
My father, mother, sister, brother, and me.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Sochiet.
Sochiet. How old is your father?
My father is 41 years old.
41 years old. Okay. Where does he live?
He live in kidslearn-kh village, Sai-Khom-Venue, Kampong Trolai district, Kampong Chenang province.
Okay. What is his favorite sport?
His favorite sport is football.
Football. And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Chom Chariya.
Chariya. Okay. How old is your mother?
My mother's name is 44 years old.
44 years old. Okay. And where does she live?
She live in kidslearn-kh village, Sai-Khom-Venue, Kampong Trolai district, Kampong Chenang province.
Okay. What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Somnang.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 28.
26. Okay. Where does he live?
He live in kidslearn-kh village, Sai-Khom-Venue, Kampong Trolai district, Kampong Chenang province.
Okay. Okay, and now I have one topic for you. You need to explain about it. The topic is my mother. Okay, let's start.
My mother's name is Chomriya. She is 41 years old. Her job is at Hawaii. She is slim and look very beautiful. Her nature is very kind. She look after the whole family. She wake up early in the morning. Wake me up in the morning for school. She prepare breakfast for the children. She cook 3 and healthy food for whole family. She also help me and my brother and cousin with our homework. She also take care my grandparents at that time. She tell us lovely story. My mother is my best friend, teacher and hero. I love my mother. I am very proud for us.
Okay, very good.